Scentsy Fam, it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy consultant, and girl, today we got new nails. That's what we got today. Girl has been a mess here. The last about 2 weeks we have been under construction. My house, we've been doing a lot of things, and this lovely box has been sitting for days. I got this at the beginning of, girl, we're in July. I got this at the beginning and I just haven't had a chance to film. So today we are jumping into July 2022's Whiff Box, and girl, this is hefty. I'm excited because they always come out with something good almost every month. I think I've only been disappointed like once or twice. I really don't know, but pretty much this is our favorite box. If you guys don't know what a Whiff Box is a surprise box that Scentsy puts out every single month, and it changes every single month on the first of the month. That's when I order mine. You can get this in your Scentsy Club at a discount, or Scentsy Club at a discount. That's the only way you can get this at a discount. It's $30 US, and every month it changes. So let's jump in because it's heavy. What do we got? Oh, we got, you guys know, I don't really like these things. Celebration of pink. Yes, we love pink. Pink nails, we love pink. Girl, we pink. All right, what do they want me to do here? You guys know I don't really care for these. Oh, July 30th is International Friendship Day. Girl, July 30th for me is Angels Game Day. Going to Angels Game. Excited. They got, what are these? I don't know, some kind of like little notes. Do you gift these notes out? Because they always do for like gifts. What is this for? Oh yeah, use these cards to give the gift of fragrance to your besties. Maybe I might do that. I have a lot of happy mail to send out. So this is our Whiff Box. We got Mylar bags because girl, it be hot. But first up, we got Wash Your Whiff. That's why this is so heavy. And Cloudberry Dreams. So Cloudberry Dreams, whenever they put girl, it all fell out. Ugh, I thought it was gonna be sealed. Great. This is strong. I have not tried Cloudberry Dreams in the laundry, but ooh, girl, that's strong. I haven't had very good luck with the laundry products. I don't feel like I get enough fragrance because that's why I'm buying this. Since it gets your clothes clean, but you're buying it for the fragrance. So we got Cloudberry Dreams Wash Your Whiffs. That's very nice. What do we got in our bag? Cover your ears. I should have been, just cover your ears. I can't get this open. Oh, okay, here we go. Ice packs. We got 2 bars. Who doesn't love bars? First bar up is Pink Rhubarb Sugar. This is great. This is a new release for the spring and summer 2022 catalog. And I like this one. This one's very, very sweet. I think it replaced Perfectly Pomegranate, as it should have, because I did not like Perfectly Pomegranate. Perfectly Pomegranate was too bitter. Prickly Pear and Agave. I love this. I have not worn that this season though. This is one of my favorites. I usually like to mix this with sea salt and avocado, but a lot of other fruity scents are being mixed with sea salt and avocado. But 2 bars. That's really nice. Oh, girl, here we go. We have room spray and pink sugarberry mint. I do love pink sugarberry mint. I do like room sprays. I don't go through them very often. And we have a car bar of pink sugarberry mint. Love pink sugarberry mint. I need a new car bar. And that's it. Right? That's it. So what we got was, girl, Wash Your Whiffs that I spilled, 2 bars, a car bar, and a room spray, and the total value is right here because I don't know it yet. So, as always, you guys, I love to hear your guys' comment about the Whiff Box, but what do you guys think of what is coming out on Tuesday, July 19th? Do you know what's coming out? Let's show it here. It's going to be Moana. Love Moana. You guys already know the bar has been in my club for over a year. We are getting the Hei Hei Buddy, the Pua Buddy, the Scent of Montanui scent pack and the bar. The Montanui bar. You guys, I've told you, it is club worthy. It has been in my club for over a year. But not only are we getting Moana, we are getting Wally. Oh my god, I think I'm more excited right now for Wally. I am going to pick up Hei Hei, you guys know. I already own Pua. But the warmer, you guys, I seen this warmer at SFR. If you guys seen my SFR blog, I have videos of it. It's absolutely beautiful. The little dish is the box of trash, because that's what he's known for getting, with the boot in there. It's just all kinds of beautiful things on the warmer. In his eyes, you can actually move them, which is absolutely amazing. And the little garbage truck goes in, garbage cube is in the back, like how he used to store it. And I think it is absolutely amazing. We're getting an Eve Buddy. She's huge, you guys. I'll be inserting a lot of videos and pictures and stuff. She's huge. Her head actually moves. It rotates all the way around. Really, really cute. She's super soft, super plushy. Like all the buddies are. They are super soft, super plushy. Way to go, Scentsy. You guys outdid Wally for sure. The scent pack is coming out as well as the new fragrance, which I got to smell the fragrance. The fragrance is like green apple, dewy greens. I think it was some kind of like melon or whatever. It is a tart, juicy, green, clean apple. It's very sharp. It's very nice. It was very strong in the little scent thing that we got to smell at SFR. I'm excited. I'm picking up almost everything. You can guarantee it. Your girl here is going to be picking it up. But as always, Scentsy Fam, I want to know your thoughts down below. Did you pick up a Whiff Box this month? What do you think of the Whiff Box? I love the Whiff Box this month. I can use this. I can definitely use this in my car. I always love room sprays. And who doesn't use wax bars? Great value. Always over the $30 value. And you guys, what about Tuesday? What is everybody excited for on Tuesday? Because I'm excited. Anything Disney coming out, you guys already know. I'm a super, super fan of it. But comment down below and let me know. And if you guys like these kind of videos, always give it a thumbs up. If you think it's helpful, hit the share button and share it with somebody. And after you're doing all the liking, subscribing, and clicking and all that good stuff, there's always a video here. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, Scentsy Fam.